The sleepy truck.
Great! My work is almost finished. Keep going! What's happening? My wheels! I'm stuck! Help!
A sleepy truck needs help. Let's go! Oh my! How did you get so muddy? You're covered in mud. You're too tired. You need to rest.
I don't need rest, Tinkerbot. They need me here.
You're covered in mud and stuck in a pit. You need help. I'm taking you to my repair center right now.
Tinkerbot Repair Shop? Okay, let's go.
Don't worry. Let's start the checkup. Take it easy. Scrub with the big brush. Rinse with water. Add bubbles. Rinse again. And dry it off. Great! The mud is all gone. Last step, wax and polish. Wipe you all over. All clean.
Wow! I look so handsome.
Oh, your tire is flat. Don't worry, I'll fix you up. Let's take off the old one and put on a new one. Perfect, just like new. You worked too hard. Please take a rest now.
You're right. I'll rest for a bit before going back to work.
You can only do your best work when you're rested. Don't work when you're tired. It can make mistakes and slow you down.
Thank you, Tinkerbot. I'll be careful later.
Remember, take a break when you're busy.
Okay, Tinkerbot, I'll remember that.